Holy
Let's
moly.
go trucking.
Let's go trucking.
Let's go trucking. So what am I going to bring in today? We only just got these in earlier in the week.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a sticker there. I couldn't see what it was from.
Tony's just de-badged your car.
Yeah.
Whoever buys this. What is it?
This is a Team Corally Shiroi short course truck.
Short course truck.
I looked at Shiroi is Japanese for white.
But it's red.
Yeah, and white and black. So I'm not quite sure where that goes.
I think they're missing 3 other words.
Yeah, look, we can't have everything, but nevertheless, this is pretty damn awesome.
Yeah.
This is probably one of the few vehicles that could survive you driving it. Because
Which we'll touch more on later.
We'll touch more on that later.
More on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure whether this is. I don't think it's 10 scale. I think it's
maybe a bit bigger,
but it's not quite 8 scale. I think it's a bit of everything. But
it's a big body.
Whatever. It's a mother of a truck.
Yeah.
You pull that off.
Holy moly. Holy moly! Look at this. Is heavy as well.
Yeah, because it's got that full interior detail, and this is that mates with
this
underneath
box. Yeah, right.
So that mates with that.
Yeah.
And this is part of the whole. They call it an extreme brace system. So we've got that there.
So if
and we've got the aluminium tubing running front to rear.
Wow.
So the whole thing is as
indestructible,
as stiff as someone on a Friday night with a blue pill. It's
That's...
just like you're not going to break this in a hurry.
Not with a blue pill.
No, with a
I'll
blue
take the
pill.
red one, thanks.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, this is a bit more beefy than your Lalo.
Yeah, but you do need to buy a battery and charger for this one.
You do. Yeah. Actually, I think you need probably 2 because this is 6S.
6S?
This is 6S.
So you're putting 2 3S's in?
So you're putting 2 3S's in it.
So you need 2 batteries.
You need 2 batteries.
What is that?
That's the special link plug.
The link plug?
Yeah. So
I don't understand.
This thing will do just on 100 Ks.
Just well, mine does that too, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but if this hits you, you're going to break things. I mean, you run into your mates with your car. If you did it with this
at 30 Ks an hour,
yeah,
on 75% throttle,
it's got massive shocks.
Oh my god, is that
most 10 scale off-road cars run 13 mil bore shocks. These are 16.
Holy moly!
They are big mothers.
Look at this thing.
150 amp speed controller.
Let's go overhead.
I don't know how many kilowatts the motor is, but it's probably a lot.
Turn it on.
Hang on.
Set it.
2050 kilowatt. It's going to be massive. That's probably a 4-pole motor.
Look at this. Oh my god! Receiver and servo are in the same box there.
Yeah. XT90 connectors.
Yeah.
Out of the box.
Yep.
It's in ready to run, so you get a transmitter.
Yep.
With it.
Yep.
You don't get
batteries.
You don't get batteries. You've got to supply them yourself.
This is insane.
But this thing is an absolute weapon. It's all the wishbones are composite, so it's got carbon infused wishbones.
Why would they put the body posts in 2 separate areas like this?
Because they would use the same front body mount for several different body configurations.
Okay. Yeah, right.
So that's why. So this thing is I just thought, what are we going to show off
just
today?
This.
We'll show this off.
I don't even know if I'm going to. Holy moly. That's not easy to do.
Is one tough truck. Everything about it is designed for longevity. It's
unlike mine.
I'm not just taking the piss out of you.
You can.
Well,
I am. Out of me.
I am. But
everything's just. We'll get into that in a second. But look at this. Oh no, all good.
All good. Oh, okay. Yeah, that'll be good. Could be a short one today.
Could be.
Well,
nothing I'm not used to.
Well, we don't have anyone in the train section.
No, we've had Brett come in.
Yeah.
Brett's come in and said hello.
Has he?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay then. Yeah, Carla said Hobby Man looks good.
Is that what she said on the way out?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Hobby Man looks good. Yeah, okay, it does.
That's all we need.
Yeah, it does. That's right.
Yeah, well, I won't ever find out. It's too far away.
What's the bottom? From you.
Yeah.
What's on the bottom?
It says engineered to be fastest. Push your limits. I love it when they put all these things on. Your car, your Lalo's got funny things written on it too.
We'll have a look at that.
Yeah. So, look, I like the little red anodized bits and pieces.
Yeah, that's cute. It's quite cute.
There's a lot of aluminium bits. There's aluminium reinforcements in here and here. There's a lot of nice engineering on this. Corally are known for engineering really cool cars. They used to do only race cars, but now they hardly do any race cars at all. They concentrate on this sort of stuff because that's where the market is. All the ball ends are heavy duty. This thing would be a weapon.
A weapon it is.
Spelt with a W-E-A-P-O-N.
Not a wet pen.
Not a wet pen.
This is by no means.
This is a serious unit, and not. I'd say this is it's a short course truck, but I see it in the same vein as the X-Maxx and that. It's not quite that size. Yeah. But I think in terms of performance, it's going to go pretty close.
I think this body shell, can we just run back to this? Yeah. This is an absolute monster.
Yeah.
Far
it's
out.
really well finished. Everything, it's all pre-done. You don't have to do anything.
Stickers.
Basically, this is very much plug and play. The radio's ready. You just need to charge up 2 3S batteries.
And go for your life.
Put them in there and you are gone.
Gone to the hills and far away.
And price-wise, it's about half what the X-Maxx, under half what the X-Maxx is.
Yeah.
So
so you're pretty lucky.
So this is
you're getting a lot of
this is something. We've got a couple of these, but I don't think they'll last very long.
No. Definitely not.
Yeah. Because
it's just a monster.
I'm half tempted myself. But that'll just be another car that I've got that
You're always tempted.
I know, I'm tempted by a lot of things.
You have lots of temptations.
Not all of them legal.
No.
The Corally Shroy, we've got 3 or 4 other Corally cars as well, trucks and 8-scale buggies and everything, all mega and all reasonably affordable. So very keen on these. Absolute weapon. I'll take it away. Now we'll look at your car. Your poor little Arrma X12S.
What can you tell me about how much of a fun week I've had with this?
You bought this on Monday. Actually, you bought 2 of them.
I did buy 2 of them.
One for you and one for one of your mates. I was more surprised that you actually had a mate.
That's right. That is right.
Yeah. And every night since, you've been sending me... Have I broken something?
No.
Oh, it's your plane. I couldn't see it.
That's all right. Every night since...
You've been sending me photos saying, I broke this. I broke this.
This is broken. This is gone. But this is...
It's still going.
It's still going because I fixed it.
Yeah.
The first thing I did was a pinion gear. I stripped that. I was just going flat out way too quick. And the second one
then it stopped. And when that stopped... Yeah. So that's... And I had a look at that, and the spur gear isn't greatest, but it's going.
It's all right. I've got one on order.
So we put a new pinion gear in it.
Yeah.
And I fixed up the mesh because you had the mesh all wrong. It was just completely bound up. So we fixed that. Then last night, you did a big jump.
I did the biggest jump. This thing went absolutely flying up in the air. So I hit full throttle on this jump from like 20 meters out and just sent it into
because these things will do about 80, 90 Ks easily.
Easy.
So you can imagine when it's going up a half pipe at that sort of speed.
Yeah. Literally went up the half pipe.
Long, probably 5 or 6 meters.
And unlike you, I'm new to this, so I can't control it in the air.
Yeah.
It pretty much landed at this angle. If I go here, it landed at this angle and all the force came down onto
the rear bulkhead.
The rear bulkhead, yeah.
Which means
all the bolts flew out.
Everything holding that up together was no longer holding it together.
That's right. It was just dragging its bum.
This morning, you couldn't wait to show me what a sorry sight it was.
I wish I had plugged it in and showed you how it drove.
Yeah.
Because it honestly looked like a dog that's legs didn't work at the back. Yeah. It was just dragging. But this thing is absolutely incredible. Yeah. I took Brett's out for a test drive, but I just did it on the tarmac.
Yeah.
And just went around.
You told me the next day I couldn't drive it. It was too fast.
It was too fast. And then on Sunday night, I was with a mate and I said, we've got these at work. They go up to 100 Ks.
Yep.
And he said, "You're kidding me. How much?" And I said, "You know, they're $320. Like, that's what they are." And so he's like, "You're joking."
Yeah.
All right, leave it with me. We'll have a think about it in a week. We'll consolidate. Next day he calls me. Get him.
Get them.
Get him. Come on.
And I haven't seen you so happy as when you bought the 2 of them.
I know, right? Those 2 boxes, leaving work with those 2 boxes was a great day. But yeah, it's honestly just an absolutely solid unit. When I went out on Tuesday with it, it was drenched. It was when we had pouring rain in the city. And
remember you told me you were going to do it. I said, it's a bit wet.
It is a bit wet, but we did it, and it was so much fun. And then
they're not waterproof, but they are splash proof.
So. Exactly. Like I made sure to keep the body on it when it wasn't on.
I mean, what you've done to this little car over the past 3 days, it should be dead.
It should be dead.
It's been resurrected a number of times.
It has this there you go, off-road research group.
Yeah.
The upside down X12S. X12S on the roof. You're so unimpressed.
I know. I'm not a big fan of stickers.
Yeah, that's fair enough.
But both you and Brett like as many stickers as possible. Why is there a sticker of a dog bone?
I thought that would be funny.
That's just nuts. But anyway.
Yeah.
This thing has survived quite well.
And a testament because we've got 1 left.
Yeah.
We've got 1 left.
We've only got 1 of these left. I don't know when we're going to get more. There's one at my house. I bought one a couple of weeks ago. It's only just done a quick run up and down the front of my street. And I went, it works. I've been driving these for a long time, and this thing is quick.
Yeah, absolutely.
I want to take it to Keeler off-road track just to give it a bit of a run there.
Yeah.
But we already know that these tires are no good for a real dirt surface. So we experimented, and your Como buggy wheels go on it.
They do. Yes, we have
managed to get them on. You need to cut the steering throw back maybe 10%.
Yep.
Because otherwise it hits on full lock.
Yeah.
But apart from that, they go on, and that's my intent is to do that. So I'll probably might film that when I go out. But I've got a clear body to paint because I don't want one like yours.
I would love a clear body for this as well.
Yeah. Well, maybe we should get. We'll start stocking a lot more of the spares for these purely because of coves.
Literally,
we're going to need them. But we've got 1 left.
I
don't know when the next lot's going to come in, but
probably fairly soon.
But these are good.
Yeah,
the Lalo stuff is really good, really, really good. Very impressed with it, and they're ready to go, and they go like stink. And that's everything you want in a car.
That's it. That's it.
That's your battery there.